Hi, in this video I'd like to show you how to use the IP to control the 18x18 HDMI matrix switcher. So we have the setup here. So the first step, we just need to make sure and we have a control PC and we have a line cable and we are connected to the HDMI matrix switcher on the back panel. So here's we got the back panel and we have the line cable from the control PC and we're connected to the line port here. Because our 18x18 HDMI matrix switcher and the line port here didn't light up. So, but this means it doesn't mean this line port is broken. So we just need to make sure from the control PC. And plus on the front panel, and we can see right now the active and network indicator didn't light up also. Just because these two indicators will light up once we do the switching from the web GUI from the IP control. So right now we're going to check out if the line port is broken or not. So first step, we just need make sure the line cable is well connected. And second step, we just go to the network center and we can see here we have a computer here. If we have the yellow mark here, that means the line port on the matrix switcher is still working. If we got like this one, we got a red X here, red X mark here. That means line port is broken. Or the line port, the line cable didn't connect well with the control PC with the matrix switcher. So here we just have this line port connected. So once we have the line cable and the control PC will connect, and the first step, we just need to make sure and we set up the IP address of the control PC, because our default IP address for the HDMI matrix switcher is 192 and 168.0.80. So we just go to the network switcher and go to property. And we found the TCP IP4, double click, and we just change the IP address of this control PC to be 192.168.120, and also the gateway, and also the DNS, and we just click OK, and we click this one. Then we just open the web browser. We use the Google Chrome. So on this one, we just type the IP address of the matrix switcher and 192.168.0.80, and we just press enter. So the first step, we need to log in, and we just click login here. So the username and password both are an admin. So we just click to login. So once we log in, then we can do the switching. So this area is going to be the input, and we just select the input and press the out. This area is for the output. So we can press the button one by one. Or we can use the shortcut here. We can switch the input to all the outputs. So we also can check out once we do the switching here, and we can see the network indicator on the front panel is flashing. Also the active indicator. If with this IP address 192.168.0.80 is not working, and also we can use our master IP address. Our master IP address is 192.168.250.80. But before we use this IP address, we also need to go to the network settings center, and we need to do the setting. We also need to change the TCP IP4 here and to be 250. and also this one 250, and also here the DNS 250, and I will click OK, and OK again. I'll close this one. Then we'll just back to the web browser, and we'll type the IP address here, and we'll press enter. Also can need to log in here. So here we got the username is admin. Password is also admin. So just click to log in. And also can do the switching and select the input and press the output button here. Also, once we do the switching, and we can see here we got the active indicator on the front button is actually flashing. We also can use the shortcuts. Okay, thank you, and I hope this can be helpful.